In this guide, I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Word on your laptop or PC. Microsoft Word is widely used word and text editor. By following these steps, you can install it on your computer and begin creating and editing. I'll walk you through the process step by step. Open your preferred web browser. Now type in Microsoft 365 Office into the search bar. Hit enter in your keyboard. Now go to the official Microsoft 365 official website. It is important to note that Word is a paid software. However, it might be included with your workplace or school accounts. If you have a Microsoft account, sign in to check if the Word is already available to you. It's likely that it is. If you do not have it included, you can purchase it. Select See Plans and Pricing and choose between yearly or monthly payment plans. Then select your payment plan and then click on Buy Now option. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete your purchase. And after you do that, click on subscription in the left-hand side of the screen. And then in the top right corner, you'll see an install option. Click on install and choose your preferred language and version before clicking install again, and you'll be done. After the download is complete, you can open your File Explorer on your PC, go to your downloads folder and run the Office setup. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.